Hey there, everybody. Uh, what we have here is a pan of boiling hot water. So, we're going to have a little fun with this. Right now, last I looked at the thermometer, it's 13 below zero outside, and that's Fahrenheit. And we have a wind chill of probably around 33 below zero. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this and see if we can turn it into snow. So I'll see if I can do this and hold the camera at the same time. Because I need one hand to get the door open. Switch hands. Okay, let's see what happens here. Yeah, it wasn't quite as dramatic as I thought, but there's plenty of other videos out there doing this, so thought I'd see what happened. You can tell it's pretty cold outside. House is doing all kinds of cracking and popping and stuff, so have a good night. We'll see you later. Bye.